Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And me standing here holding a sword means you are not looking at me. And me standing here holding a sword that is released from the scabbard means you are not looking at the scabbard, because this is the cool, shiny part, and maybe even the fearsome part. And very often the same thing happens to a sword player, whether Tàijíquán with a jian or not, but they lose sight of the non-dominant hand, right? The yin hand, the scabbard, if you will. And so today's tip is to either shift your intention or expand your awareness. You can do it both ways, from the dominant hand in a given movement to the non-dominant hand. And there's exactly as much value function provided by the scabbard as the sword, right? So where it becomes obvious to you that there's a dominant hand in a particular movement, I'd invite you to expand your awareness to include the other, or for the purposes of this tip, shift your intention to the other hand. What is its experience? What is its value? What is its function? This is not going to be something you're going to be easily doing when you have this sort of bilaterally cooperative kind of, self-same twins hands. But quite often you're going to feel one hand is the dominant hand and one is not. This is the one I know that it's what it's doing. This is the one I'm hitting somebody with. That's the one I'm excited about, like the sword. It's all fine, but for today, I'd like you to be able to expand to encompass the scabbard, not just the sword. So thank you with that. Appreciate you. And sharpen your swords and oil them too.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.